Alrighty. I'm going to put this on maximum power to work out my arms while turning left.
Get big thumbs up. Go have some fun today. Rock and roll. Alright, if this thing's accurate, we're going to be outside. Closed. The road's closed.
This thing I forgot how much this thing dives under braking. It's like the suspension is made out of soggy mashed potatoes. Just imagine me as the car, just. Hey Andy, I'm not balding anymore, I've got hair. I'm improving myself, don't you see? Listen to the sound of this V8. Shut up.
Be on the ball, man.
I didn't want to do that. I thought I had enough revs, as it turns out I didn't.
Big man, we're going to do your thing.
Hold it, hold, and we are kind of off.
Inside.
Come on.
You're clear.
I don't know where to go. Everyone's slowing down randomly.
Still there. Inside.
Ford in front of me, not really going very quickly.
Still there.
Got a wavy truck.
Still inside.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Right, three things that matter in this: steering control and throttle control and beer control.
Still
Maybe.
inside.
Number 10, go for a weave.
Still inside.
Stay in the slipstream. Stay away from the dangerous wall.
Still inside.
So far, we have survived.
Still inside. Clear low. Inside. Sit, baby. Get up on you. Still inside.
God damn it. Yeah.
Inside.
I'm a 28-year-old old man.
Still inside.
Bitter. Broken. Toyota behind me.
Still inside.
Looking for a push, but it's just not going to happen. There's no gap anywhere.
Still nice work, my man. Keep running your line.
But still, listen to that soundtrack.
There. Clear.
Oh, Toyota.
Inside.
Don't know what the Toyota's doing.
Still there. Quarter.
A little bit more acceleration. He's getting away from me.
Still there.
P4. Number 18 going down bottom. Got the Chem Block Remembrance car not going anywhere.
Nice. Now lay the wood to that bitch. Still there. Quarter inside.
Listen to that! Oh, weaving behind.
Still inside.
Use your fucking mirrors, Jerry.
Beef. Much beef. We are.
Still inside.
I don't think it will. Hate to break that to you.
Cautious out. Alright, buddy, in a couple laps by yourself there, how'd it feel?
Well, something happened. So I'm not sure what happened.
The road is closed.
Surprised it lasted so long. You guys are still fucking out of control.
Something happened. 2 cars have towed. My guess, 2 have died.
You should be behind the 14. Alright, we need to be behind the 16.
Until it finally happened. Well. Alright, yellow, yellow, yellow.
Alright, so we're gonna have to come around the 20.
Oh god! Johnny English was in this! Rowan Atkinson was in this race!
Open, open.
Jonathan English. I'll probably use that, Andy, to blind people. Guy behind me does not know what a single file means. It's just accelerating and braking, so it's a bit sort of like this. I've got people pitting. I'm not sure why they're pitting, to be honest. There really isn't a reason to. Not unless you really have shredded the tires to death. California culture.
So much for the luck.
I refuse to say anything as I am British, and saying things in NASCAR will warrant the death penalty for me and if I dare enter the United States. I am a secret American. Closeted American. I think. God damn it, Zero. Right, which lane am I in? P5, so I'm gonna guess I'm in the outside line, which is not where I want to be.
Guys,
No, I'm inside.
Around tonight, so let's just take our normal precautions, make sure the wheels stay covered up, make sure everything is okay and doesn't get tampered with all those people around. I think you're on the inside.
Certainly am. Which is good.
How many laps till green?
100. There we go. 100.
Coming out of turn 2, so you got a bit of time here.
100 laps of yellow. This is now officially iPacing. Yes. Christopher Columbus discovered what would become the United States of America. Alright, take care, Andy. Thanks for watching. Come on.
Slide back in your seat there, man.
Alright, here we go.
Double check your steering wheel, get a good look at your switch.
Time for Chevy
You're ready
Power
go,
to do
you're
its
ready.
thing. Are we ready to go?
Boss man, the pace car's off. You have yourself a great day.
We're off.
Green flag. You're getting up, buddy. Roll that thing through there. You're doing great.
Did I see someone shoved up against the wall? I'm not sure. Either way, I'm in the middle. I'm in the bottom lane. I got Chevy behind me. Powering up.
Outside. Still outside. Still outside.
Oh, this isn't good.
Still out there.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, Fruity Pebbles.
Still outside. Still outside.
Oh, people are stacking.
Clear. Good job.
Being pushed. Being pushed. Don't push me into the Ken Block car. I don't want to wreck it. Ken Block was a great guy.
Outside.
Add in the fact that I've got a Formula wheel. So being pushed means I get a big jolt from my wrists.
Clear. High.
Stacking, 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 stacking. Going up height, going up height, going up height. Plenty of room.
Inside. Still inside. Still there. Still there on the bottom.
That was a mistake. I've lost several hundred positions.
Inside. Still there. You're clear.
Going down. Ugh. Okay, you had the same idea.
Inside. Still inside.
Come on, truck.
Still inside.
We've passed the Fruity Pebbles.
Inside.
Now for the rather damaged truck in front of us. Of Watson.
Still there. Still inside.
We're doing well.
Stay on his ass now.
Okay.
One inside.
Where the hell's he going? He just speared off into the undergrowth. Back marker going very slowly, very slowly.
He knows that. Just go up there and get him. That's it, baby. Stay after it.
P2, baby, come on. We are halfway through this, I think. Give him a tiny push. That sounds like hell. It really does.
Outside. Still out there. Keep after, bud. Still there outside. Still there.
Well, the cup cars are going to win. The trucks are the slowest things on planet Earth.
Still outside. Still outside.
Losing ground. Losing a lot of ground.
Still outside.
Bump, bump, bump. Oh my god. You know when people say that NASCAR is actually a really hard motorsport to do? They're kind of right. The car is never settled. You can never tell where it's gonna go.
Still out there. Still outside. Still outside.
Oh, I hear tapping.
Water outside. Still outside. Good job, man. You keep it up. Door outside.
P3. Come on.
Outside. Still out there.
Whoa.
Still out there. Still outside.
Got a back marker truck up ahead.
10 to go. Still outside.
Dude, you're gonna have to get out the way soon. Big speedy ton of bricks coming through.
Still out there.
Get out of the way.
Still there. Door outside. Still out there. Still there outside. Outside.
Easy. We're still in for some good points though, which is nice.
Still out there. Hey, looky there. Let's get him.
Got another back marker truck coming.
Still out there. Clear. Outside. Still outside. Still out there.
Oh no. Oh no. This could be a disaster.
You're clear.
Get out of the way! Don't sit in the apron, otherwise no one has anywhere to go.
Clear. Outside. Outside.
EVGA,
Good job, man. Let's get there
how are
right
you?
now. Still out there.
8 laps to go.
Still outside.
That means about 7 minutes to go. Yeah.
Outside. Still out there.
I'm doing okay. Stream stutter. I didn't get any stutter. I'm not even getting any lag.
Still outside.
Unfortunately, not much I could do. Not until another yellow comes.
Still outside.
That's not good. I think the CPU's been overloaded by something.
Quarter outside. Still there.
Come on! Move a little bit further forwards. Don't
Outside.
weave like that again.
Still out there.
Close one. Don't wanna kill someone.
Clear high.
Hey, at least I'm not dying. Not like in the last race where it just sort of killed itself. Right, taking up.
Working the bottom inside.
Going up.
Still there, your door.
I don't trust the guy. I don't trust the guy to follow.
Still there.
Come on. Uh-oh. Back marker again.
And nice work, boss man. You know what that is up front of you, man. That's a free lunch program. Get it.
Daniel, go high.
Don't go high, don't go high, don't go high, don't go high.
Still inside.
Oh, thank God. Touching. Oh, there he goes. Goodbye. Oh, surprisingly hasn't killed anyone.
5, go. Woohoo, go get him. Still there, your door.
I don't know where all the lag spikes coming from then because I'm not getting any.
Still inside. Still inside.
I'll have to see what my frames are like. Oh my God, dude. I need a push.
Still there.
Push me.
Clear low. Inside, inside, inside.
Yes, slipstream, 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 slipstream. Yes. Thank you, Fruity
Go on your
Pebbles.
inside.
Well, we got 4 laps to go. Come on.
Good job. Still there. See, my man, you put it on.
Got another back marker coming up.
Still there, inside.
Yeah.
Inside your door.
Come on, giant truck thing. Don't know where anyone's going. Stay on your line, man. Stay on your line. We've got 3 more laps to go. Just survive. Yes.
Still there. Nice job, bud. Straight and smooth. Easy into the corners. Good map.
Oh, yes.
Still
Oh,
inside
yes.
your door. Fuck it, nut up. Let's go, man.
Damn it. Lost position.
Still inside. Still there.
Come
your
on!
door.
Power! I need more power! I need less slabby front end.
Still there. Inside. Clear if you need it. Inside. Still on your inside. 2 more. Clear low.
2 more laps to go.
Inside. Clear. One inside. Still there at the bottom. Still inside, even up.
I don't think so, Monster
Still there,
Energy.
your door. Still inside. Still inside.
Don't know what's happening, don't know what's happening. Right, white flag.
Still inside.
Back marker trucks. Oh, this is going to be deadly now. Get out of the way!
Clear. Inside. Still inside. Clear.
How many times have we passed that damn Home Depot truck?
Inside.
Uh,
Still inside.
Don't know what to do. No. No, no, he scouted that well. He scouted that well. Oh, oh, there's gonna be a wreck, and I'm gonna be part of it. Go, 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 go. Team livery, old team livery.
Still there at your door.
No! Oh, God! Have I got P3?
Right? Yep.
Yay!
Alright, man. Good job, man. Really good work there. Something wrong with him. Is he blowing up? Yeah, I think so.
Yay for death! Well, I didn't drop any frames. I don't know what happened. Oh God! I love the view from that. We have to see what caused this. We have to. Where's? Oh, someone went for the apron. Someone tried apron and chose death. That's why you don't go for the apron in NASCAR. Because that happens and you're gonna kill someone. With all these sponsors, true. Well, that's a photo finish. Yeah, I almost got P2, but hey, P3. Oh, it's going up on YouTube, right, man? Don't you worry about that. Right, there was a major death at the start. So I think certainly this camera's shot. Whoa! It was the rather wood grain truck. I need to change the Z-axis. There we go. That's better. Push. Just goes straight in the middle and murders the guy. Causes a wreck. Good save by this guy. Oh! That was a hell of a wreck. Jesus. Then there were... Someone in a Ford died. There's a dark blue Ford. This guy. This lap has to be this lap. They just sort of speared off into the undergrowth. Oh, we were touched. What a save! I'll tell you what. Nice save. There was another one, though. I can't remember which one. Someone sort of, went through the middle of someone. I can't think which lap it was. There was a lap where someone died. No. No. Not me. No. Oh, which lap was it? Which car was it, in fact? Was it the Mountain Dew car? It had to be. It had to have been the Mountain Dew car. Oh, I started P8. Yeah, it wasn't this. We have to start skipping. Wasn't any of these laps. Oh, there we go. No. No, that wasn't it. That was the Ford. Nothing happening. Oh. It was the wood grain. Oh, God. Wow. Just get out of my line. Jesus. Oh, hello. No, I can't find it. Oh well. Good race, though.